Hi, second graders. This is Mrs. Anderson, and I'm going to do a tutorial for you about how to sign into IXL and do the recommended activities. So second graders, you know that I use Scout to sign into some of these accounts as a pretend student. So here we are at the IXL page, and every time you log in, remember, you need to be at the Roseville Area Schools page with this at the end of your login. So you can see that right here it has Scout Anderson at RAE, and then it has his password because I have signed in on this computer before. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And right away, second graders, you will see something that looks very familiar. It will say welcome, and then it'll say your name. And you have seen this before, the learning, the diagnostic, and the analytics bar. Today, I want you to be working in the learning area, okay? So across there then, within the learning area, there are recommendations, skill plans, math, language arts, Minnesota standards, and awards. Don't worry about any of that. Just be sure that you are clicked over here on the recommendations, okay? So usually we want you to go here and take the suggestion from your teacher because I have things in there that I want you to do. But today, what I want you to do is I want you to pick one of these recommended activities. And remember, second graders, we are working on math only. Now you can see that as I hover over the different activities, they get darker and a little button that says try this shows up. So second graders, I'm going to go down to this one about money. We are going to be learning about money and counting coins after spring break. So I want to practice that. Or I should say Scout wants to practice. So when you hover over this, it turns a dark gray. And then a little try this button will show up. Click the try this button. So second graders, then what you need to do is count the money. So I have 25 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1. So 25, 30, 35, 36. Oh, this is just 2 cents. 2 pennies is 2 cents. Second graders, remember what we want you to be doing is we want you to try and get a SMART score of at least 80 or better. So I've got 2 quarters, which is 50, a dime, which is 60, a nickel, 65, 70, 75, and a penny is 76. Now, here's what happens if you get something wrong. I'm going to say that this is 4 cents. So they will come up, the computer will tell you that it is incorrect, and they will explain what the right answer is. So
the correct answer is 12 cents.
So then down here, they will go through and explain what to do. So you can, again,
first, count the nickels by counting by fives, 5 cents, 10 cents. Now count the pennies by counting up by ones, 11 cents, 12 cents.
Once you think you understand it, you can click Got It. How much money is there? 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 dimes, that's easy, that's 20 cents. 2 nickels, that's also easy, that's 10 cents. Okay, second graders, once you feel like you've done a good job, you've gotten a SMART score of 80 or higher, you can go back to the recommendations page and pick something else to do. Now, if you have never done this particular area before, it will say try something new right down here. So I noticed that this said try something new. I want to show you what that is, okay? Now in this category, if you're trying something that's new, you have the option to learn with an example, okay?
How many dots are on the frame?
So second graders, what I see is that this is 5 and this is another 5. And if I go down here and look more, that's exactly what they're saying. This is a row of 5, this is a row of 5. So we know that 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, I'm going to go back and practice. So I see a row of 5 and one more, which would be 6. I see a row of 5 plus 4 more, which would be 9. Now, second graders, look here. This is a row of 2 rows of 5, which is 10, plus another row of 5, which is 15, 16, 17, 18. 10, right here is 10, plus 3. Ooh, this is a whole 10 plus 2 more. A whole group of 10 plus 1 more. 2 groups of 10. Look at this. 10, 20, 10, 20, 25, 28. 10, 20, 23. So second graders, I'm not going to keep showing you what to do here. I think you understand. But what I want you to be sure to do is when you log in this time, I want you to go to Learning, go to Recommendations, and do one of the math recommendations that they have for you. You can always do the try something new. If you want to keep practicing, you can go to the Keep at It. All right, second graders, thanks a lot. Have fun doing your IXL math.